In today's video, I am going to teach you how to submit a bill to bill.com. If you have an invoice that you want to enter into your bill.com account, the process is quick, but it is important to follow each step carefully so the details are accurate. I will walk you through what to do from the moment you log in to the moment you create the bill. First, log into your bill.com account. On screen, you should see the sign-in page if you are not already logged in. Enter your login details and proceed to your dashboard. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct account, since bills entered in the wrong place can be difficult to fix later. After you sign in successfully, you are ready to find the area where bills are managed. Next, click Bills in the left-hand navigation menu. This is usually located along the side of the page, and it helps you jump directly to the Bills section without searching around. If you do not see it right away, look closely at the left sidebar and confirm you are on the main navigation menu. Clicking Bills should switch your view to the Bills page, where you can enter a new bill or manage existing ones. Now click Enter Bill. This option is typically clearly labeled and is designed specifically for adding a new invoice to your system. Clicking Enter Bill usually opens a page or panel that contains the upload area for invoice files. At this point, you are setting up the bill entry so bill.com can read the invoice information for you. After that, drag and drop your invoice file into the upload area or select the file from your computer. When you drag and drop, you will see the upload area highlight, which tells you where the file will go. If you prefer the browsing option, click to choose the file and locate it on your device. Make sure you select the correct invoice document. A clear, readable invoice file helps the extraction process work smoothly. Once the file is uploaded, you will need to review the extracted details. Click or scroll through the fields that show the vendor, amount, and date. Bill.com will attempt to pull this information from the document automatically, but it is still your job to confirm it is correct. Look closely at the vendor name to ensure it matches the supplier on the invoice. Next, verify the amount is accurate, including the correct currency and the correct total or subtotal shown for your bill. Finally, check the date to confirm it is the correct invoice date or bill date as required for your workflow. After you finish checking that information, you are ready to submit it into your system. Click Create Bill. This final action saves the bill using the details you reviewed. If the page updates or shows a confirmation message, that is your sign the bill has been created successfully. If anything looks off, you can go back and correct the fields before creating it, but ideally you will be confirming the correct details before pressing Create Bill. Logging in, entering the bills area, uploading the invoice file, reviewing the extracted vendor, amount, and date, and then clicking Create Bill is the complete workflow. With these steps, you can consistently submit bills in bill.com with accurate information and less manual entry. And that is all there is to it.